Alright, what's up guys? Mark here with Mesnercraft, and today I will be showcasing for you Snapshot... can't seem to remember. Let's see if it's in this book, entitled Stupid Mark. We are on Snapshot 12W17A. So, there you have it, we're on Snapshot 12W17A. I'm just kidding guys, I just wanted to showcase what books can be used for. So anyways, let's go back in this chest and get all our delightful items for today. So first up we have the Book and Quill. Now I'm guessing this is going to be crafted with a book and maybe an ink sac or something and a feather. And this is what allows you to write books. You're going to need to craft this and right click and you can type whatever you want, like Mesner Craft is awesome. And when you're done, you're gonna want to hit sign, enter book title. So you put your book title right there, and as you'll notice, it says note. When you sign the book, it will no longer be editable. Now that means once you put your title on your book, you won't be able to do anything else. It's a published book. It's like trying to take back a real book in life and changing it. So anyways, let's title it Snapshot, and you'll notice it turns into like an enchanted book, I guess. And you'll notice it says Snapshot by iFreshMesna. The 387 is only there because of too many items. Anyways, it shows the title and the author. So let's show you an example of a book I've written. So I entitled this Dumb Mesnercraft. Once upon a time, there was an awesome YouTube channel named Mesnercraft. They were super awesome and everyone enjoyed them, even though they weren't well known. One day the president said everyone should subscribe and love Mesnercraft. The end. So there you have it. Looks like books are going to be a super awesome addition to the game. There's not much information on it on how to craft or if you're going to be able to store it in bookcases or not. I'm pretty sure you will. So look forward to that. And of course, there's another addition, multicolored wood slabs. So now you have wood that matches every single type of wood out there in Minecraft. You have your birch, oak, spruce, and jungle. So let's put these all down. There we are. Now this always reminded me of Neapolitan ice cream for some reason, just the colors. But anyways, now you'll be able to match your wood with your houses. Everything's gonna look cool and matching now. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video and if you found it helpful, leave a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more. And just stay tuned until this update comes out for real Minecraft. Till next time, peace.